fuck with me. You might end up stuck with me. I know some niggas that's stuck in the past, they can't get in touch with me. I know some bitches be running their mouth saying what they done for me. I'ma just be in the mansion, getting the manny, sipping on bubbly. I don't see competition in my peripheral, nothing in front of me. Smelling good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tammie. And be that said, as you can see by the title of this video, we are doing fried Oreos. Like, so easy to make. Like, you don't even need that much ingredients, thanks to Trinity J. I was watching her video and she made it look so easy. She made it look so easy how to make fried Oreos at home, but I'm gonna try it and see if it's really easy. All you need is some Oreos, some crescents. I keep calling these croissants, but it's called crescents. It's called crescents. Crescent. Anywho, we got some oil. We got some oil and we have powdered sugar. Like, you just need, these are the simple ingredients that you need to make. Can you stop looking at me?
Don't you want to be watched?
I do. So let's get into it. Let me stop talking. Oh, you also need a pan. So I'm gonna stove. And a stove. A whole stove. Duh. You need a pan and a whole stove. What else you need? Cameraman. What else? That's it. Okay. So we need a stove, electricity, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm about to get my clear canola oil. Honestly, I don't know what type of oil you can use. I know they say you can use peanut oil, but I couldn't find any peanut oil in stores. So, I mean, I could find it in stores. The peanut oil is way too big for me to be making fried Oreos. So I just got some canola oil, call it a day. So now I'm gonna put it in the pan. Camera woman, come on, follow me. You're not gonna zoom in or like, what kind of camera woman are you? Should I put some more? Okay, so the camera woman. But yeah, I'm gonna put, I didn't put the whole thing. So like almost. And we're gonna let that heat up. See, when you're making food, you gotta make sure you put everything back because you don't want to like have too much mess. You don't want to have a mess at all. So we got our crescents. And we're gonna, while that's heating up, we're gonna pop it open. Watch me struggle. Bruh, I'm struggling for real. Like, yeah. Oh my god, don't get nails. Wow. Camera woman, help me. Cause these nails ain't helping. Oh, you're trying to look cute, can't even open a crescent box. So I don't know in total how many Oreos I'm gonna make, but I'm gonna make a lot. Grab this plate. Thank you, camera woman. She opened it. And I'm just gonna take it out of there. Put it on here. Can we bring it in? Oh, the thing popping. Jesus, dang. It's already popping.
Welcome to my wretched ass kitchen.
Oh my god. Yeah, y'all heard it popping? Well, we have our Oreo. Woman took probably 20. My goodness.
Just take it off the stove.
What? Make sure you got that thing. That thing almost burnt me. Now, okay, I have it. Make sure you guys use a clean surface. Put it in. I don't count. So we put it. I'm so focused. I'm like trying to get it perfect. That's why I stopped talking. But all you're doing is putting the Oreo in there and folding it. Like so. I'm just ripping it. I'm just freestyling at this point. Boom. Easy. We're gonna put them in the freezer for like 10 minutes just so the dough could get a little frozen. But as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're gonna put it in the freezer. Don't follow the freezer. Our refrigerator ain't cute. It's not cute. Leave it in for like 5, 10 minutes. Alrighty. Make sure you're cleaning as you go. Wash some dishes. Somebody will wash them later. For being such a good student, here you go, camera woman. Ding. Enjoy. Alright, we're gonna put this up and I'll be back like in 10 minutes. I'm not gonna leave it in the fridge for just 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna leave it in the freezer just so the dough could get a little, you know, I don't know how to say it because I ain't chef like that, but
Firm.
There you go. Camera woman, you're hired. Just so the dough can be firm, and then we're gonna get back to that.
How are you doing today? I'm the coochie man. I just wanna with Ziggy Lou sitting in the spot trying to move some grams. Nigga told me I can't fuck his bitch man. I'm finna start a record fly nigga with a cat for like Lucci man. I wish I could close my eyes and my prayer nigga start.
Ooh. Ooh. You see that? You see the smoke? So it's been more than 5 minutes. I'll put it in here. Camera woman, are you gonna come close? You think it's hot? Let's see. I didn't need you. You were hot. Now that I need you, you're not hot. See how life works? Boom. We're waiting for the stove to get hot. Boom. Alright, so now we're gonna put it in there. Can you see? Are you gonna come close?
I can see.
Okay. It wasn't going.
I'm in Gucci land. Oh, shit. All right, put the other ones.
Okay, I'm trying to put the other ones in. Okay, this is our fried Oreo. I'm gonna just let it sit a little minute, and now we're gonna go in with our sugar, with our powdered sugar, brought to you by Walmart, the Great Value. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit. I think you want to get this on the gram. Can you see it? Oh, what thing? They taste good. Oh god. Oh how. So we made fried Oreos and it tastes amazing. I'm not gonna lie, like if you guys want to see me do something else, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to go check out this hair that I did. You nice. That video should be up. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. What you think about it?
I love it. I love it. Comme toi, every day. That's fine. Don't forget to vote today. Rest in peace.
She said rest in peace.
I don't know where we get her from. Said rest in peace. Who died?
Who died?
What?